Hi, it's 25th of June and it's around about 3 or 5 p.m. in the afternoon, so it's before closing. So I am going to do an analysis, quick analysis of the stocks which are in my radar and which could be a potential BTST for me. So Nifty has been dancing in the same level since morning, so there's nothing much, and Reliance has been really weak and is struggling at 2105 levels right now. From a perspective, we were able to trade Apollo Hospital in the morning, and we it's now trading at 3450 levels. It went to 3465 levels, and we entered at 3330 levels when I tweeted. Similarly, companies like National Alam and Naveen Fluorine, these are also looking really good for me. Sale is something which I won't do a BTST as of today. MFSL also one of the stocks which we discussed in yesterday night, and today it made an all-time high. It was able to breach, and this might be not the one which I will do a BTST for now. Also not Vedanta. Cummins is also not very interesting for me. Bank of Baroda could be, but normally in PSU banks I always go for State Bank of India and nothing else. Definitely, Naukri is one of the stocks which will be in my close radar for BTST, and I have already done a very comprehensive analysis of Naukri and the technicals of Naukri. You will find it in one of my channels. I will try to attach it in the upper right hand corner. So Naukri looks really good, and similarly, as I said, Can Bank is also something which I will skip for now. Axis Bank, I'm not actually looking for Axis for now, and not also State Bank of India as for BTST. For me, actually, IDFC First Bank looks really good, and I will definitely be tracking it very closely for BDST and also AU Bank. Deepak Nitrate has always been working in a range, so it's not very much of an interest to me. Manappuram, we have already traded Manappuram from 160 to 166 multiple times, and this is exactly what has happened today. So I won't be carrying Manappuram because I am already carrying it from 162 levels from previous trading sessions. And as we mentioned, we would be, as I mentioned in the market watch from the afternoon, that Glenmark and all the pharma companies, they look good. So I was able to trade in Glenmark and make some money. So I won't be trading this one. And RBL Bank is also one of the bank which I could consider for my BTST. It has been running lately, and it has come in my radar for some time. PI industry is something which I won't consider for BTST. I don't know. Till now, it doesn't look very promising for me, but you never know. In the last moment, I can decide. Definitely, ICICI Prudential is something which has made an all-time high. We were there, we traded it, and it was done and dusted. I'm not actually looking for a BTST, and it's also ICICI Bank is also one of the banks which looks very promising, but I think this bank Nifty is just moving today just to counter the weakness in Reliance. But no matter what, ICICI Bank is definitely one of the good banks where you can enter for. But I will actually not enter for BDST. Escorts, I already have positions from 1169 levels, and right now 1189 and 1200 levels seems to be a resistance. This is also true for Bell. I actually don't trade in Bell, so I really don't monitor that very extensively. I'm not going to enter Jindal Steel for sure, and I'm also not going for. I might go for M&M Finance, but I think I won't go for it. So it looks good, but I am not actually interested. It's also true for Hindalco. I'm not going to go for Hindalco also as my BTST. ICICI GI, we have been trading ICICI GI for very long, and I think until and unless it gives a strong closing above 1560 to 1580 levels, I wouldn't be longing again, because multiple times in the past it has faced a resistance on this level. Also not true for HDFC, AMC, and Tata Motors is already. I am already carrying Tata Motors, so is absolutely not a problem. Very good company, and very soon I see 355 to 360 levels. We already traded that leg where it went towards 360, and now it has been correcting. Tata Motors I already do have, and it's also true for Maruti. I already do carry Maruti from 7420 and 7500 levels, so it's not a BTST candidate for me, but you can definitely consider Alchem. As I said early in the morning when we did the market watch, Alchem and all the other pharma companies, they were moving. So this might be something, and from LT we were able to book out LT today at 1525 levels. So LT was in our discussion from yesterday evening. So we were able to get LT at a much cheaper rate from 110.11 where it opened, and then we were able to get some 51% from LT today. Because you have to understand these are large cap, and so the movement is 1% is perfectly fine for a day. This is also true for IndusInd Bank. I would not go for IndusInd Bank. Oro Pharma is something which I already traded and it was already discussed. TVS Motor is also something which already discussed. It's not a BTST for me, and it's also true for Sun Pharma. I already did an explicit analysis on Sun Pharma, and also I will do an analysis on all the pharma companies which are in my radar from a large cap section and which are part of FNO. So watch that video if you want to know the explicit levels of all the pharma companies. And also not BPCL and Bajaj Finserv is something which I am not looking very much into. It's also true for Cadila. We already traded Cadila, and this is absolutely not a candidate. And this is also true for Federal Bank and HDFC Life. We have already traded, definitely not ITC and Bharat Forge until and unless 750 is taken out. There was a video or a tweet I made where no, there was a video I made on Bharat Forge in one of the pre-opening videos, and I said that 750 is a very crucial range. As soon as 750 will be taken out on an hourly basis and closing, if I get a closing above that, I will definitely enter Bharat Forge, and definitely I will be very much interested to carry it forward. And also this is also true for HDFC Bank. Ambuja Cement is something which I have already traded Ramco Cement today, and also Ultratech. So I will skip this one. SBI Life, as I said, I have already traded today in the morning, and right now I will not carry it. And also for M&M, we did an analysis of M&M on yesterday twice. First, when I compared a Y position in Maruti is better than compared to M&M, and this is very evident. You understand that the amount of return that Maruti is giving compared to M&M, and the move which Maruti gave compared to M&M is far better and much more compared to what M&M is doing. And in the second video about the pre-opening video where I did an analysis of M&M yesterday night, I said that 801 800 levels is very hard for M&M to breach, and that's exactly what happened. It reversed from there, and going forward I will be more focused in getting M&M at 770 and 780 levels. So that's all, folks. Hope you got an idea of मैं BTST में क्या क्या trades लेने की सोच रहा हूँ, and maybe this video will be helpful for you. Thanks a lot and have a nice trading. Right, I'm going to end it over here. Bye bye.